I moved back to Nigeria and started working at a paid employment. It was at that time I realized I did not have job security. I was not fulfilled at work, so I started a business while working and eventually left. The business started growing and sustaining me. However, I started desiring to go back to paid employment and even had certain revelations to do so. I actively tried to go back to work, but all to no avail. I was either overqualified or was going to be underpaid. When I came close to getting a good one, it would fall through the cracks. I started feeling left behind by my peers and saw them moving ahead and excelling in their careers. I fasted, I prayed and waited on God in that period and even participated in one of the fasting exercises organized by the church. I wrote down my prayer requests and kept praying over them. When I heard other people's testimonies, I called on God to give me a testimony of gainful and profitable employment by the next quarter. I even sowed a seed. To the glory of God, I got a job as a manager in a reputable company, a position I know I did not get by my power. This was God's way of restoring my lost years of my career. It also brought me divine increase in sales, creativity, revenue, and opportunities for my business. To Him alone be all the praise.